Welcome to WISE Edge Zone. This is Advantech software-defined edge orchestration platform built specifically for industrial agentic and edge AI. Let's walk through 3 highlights that shows how WISE Edge helps industrial moves from automation to true intelligence. WISE Edge is designed to control diverse edge devices across a lot of chipset platforms. And EdgeSync is our edge development toolset. It has a lot of standardized APIs and containers to help developers, SI and ISV partners to develop their own edge AI applications. Easy, scalable AI development paired with WISE-IoT, which offers diverse ready-to-use domain solutions and industrial applications, from energy management, predictive maintenance, and smart manufacturing. From manufacturing and energy to retail and healthcare, WISE Edge empowers various sectors with intelligent agents that supports autonomous decision-making and AI-driven operations. WISE Edge helps industry overcome the biggest edge challenges. It unifies diverse devices and architectures, scales easily with growing workflows, and ensures strong data security. It also simplifies development and turns edge data into the real insight with built-in AI and management tools.